Hi, my name is Wendy with WTI. Today I'd like to share with you this 45 SPF plus PA+++, so 3 pluses, from Apru. This is the last step in my skincare each morning. I wear sunscreen every day, not just to prevent sunburn, but also to prevent sunspots, wrinkling, and to keep my skin fresh. So let's put some on. So I put quite a bit on. I put about 3 finger lengths on my skin. So this here won't leave a white cast on my skin at all, which I really appreciate. And I also find that the smell is not chemical, it's not floral, it has more like a citrus smell, which is something I really like because I love citrus. It makes me feel like summer. So if you're in the dead of winter and you're putting this on, you're like, oh, summer. Okay, so you can tell like there's no white cast on my skin. It's absorbing in, it's quick absorbing, and then I can apply my makeup if I choose to wear some for the day. I highly recommend Apru sun cream. It'll give you the protection that you need so that your skin can stay young and fresh. But that's my point of view.